All right, it's a Grand Summit Saver event, your local farm home supply. $1,000 off the Summit Tractors. No, you have free delivery, but Andy, what sets Summit Tractors apart from other brands?
So, you know, not only is this a bad compact tractor, this comes standard with a lot of great features. First off, the loader comes standard on this tractor. Not only does it have a loader, but it also has a third function valve on that loader for use with the grapple. Comes standard on this tractor where you don't get on other models. Another thing standard on this is this premium seat. I mean, you want to be comfortable when you're out bouncing around in the field. And the rear tires come standard filled with a rim guard beet juice, which helps with the rusting of the rim.